Welcome to the Dutch Design Week. This is the stage 2 of our collaboration with Envisions called Wood in Progress. In this big black box you'll be finding the work of 6 designers with whom we started to collab on the second part. When you step in the box you'll never expect what you'll be seeing inside. It's a big magical world of colors seen through different kinds of mirrors. Each angle has a different perspective on the work. Upstairs you'll find a dining table which is like a painting from Van Gogh. It's really nice to see. You'll be seeing work of the Envisionaires over there as well as Finsa material. There you can find our lightweight panel called Green Panel. It's actually kind of like an art exhibition which you'll be seeing over there.